Former Politico and now Philippine International Trading Corporation President and Chief Executive Officer Dave Almarinez is the romantico to beat in 2021. His marriage proposal to actress Ara Mina says it all. Ara revealed the proposal came as a surprise. Yusek Almarinez had the full support of San Pedro Laguna Mayor Lourdes Catakis. The proposal took place at the balcony of the City Hall. Overlooking the balcony was the magic question. And she said yes. Almarinez was appointed by President Duterte to PITC in 2017. Before joining the government, he was a businessman and a politico. He consistently ranked number 1 as provincial board member of Laguna in the 2007, 2013, and 2016 local elections.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.